with Darklings, mine every time. What happened to my music? Hello? I'm trying. I'm convincing myself it's a good idea. A flail? Why did it take me a minute to figure that out? A flail, like when you flail? And I was like, wait, no. Because I'm sorry, that would be the funniest thing if you just had like like a mold of someone flailing. I would just die. One sec, let me think about this, because I'm like, yeah, a tiger, like, you can, like, eat people, which is chill. You know, I'm gonna go with the tiger. I just love that, like, big cat life. I'm never watching this, and she was like, that's why I told you, is so you don't have to, and I was like, thank you. I appreciate that. Is this yellow gonna be a mistake? You know what? No, it's gonna be fine. Me aggressively tells you that you are also important. You don't get to tell people that they're like important and worth every little bit of their life and like every important thing that they have possibly coming for them without also getting told that, okay? Other than like that's my personal information, but like whatever. Vampire Bunny book? How do I not know? Like I feel like I do know what this is, but I'm not sure. I get the gist, so I feel like even if you, like, spelt it wrong, if I knew what you were talking about for sure, I would know. But I'm not really sure if I do. One of the top tier. I remember reading it and, like, it being like, yeah, this is a song that you could totally use for your high school, musical audition. I was like, or we could not. That's an option. We're talking about Heathers, and I'm doing an Easter demon. Fortunately, you guys don't see the Care Bear that's on. I'm a little too low, sorry, I definitely don't know the song well enough to actually sing it, but you know what? I'm still gonna vibe. Oh my god, wait. Sorry, I just remembered something by making that sound. Oh my god. I think I almost got it. Oh my god. I like made a sound like that and he was like, you almost sound like a gerbil, and I was like, bet. Like, ha, now I can battle your purring with gerbil sounds. I think I got it. He made like a really cute purring sound and I was like, that's unfair. For heaven's sakes, my favorite like slasher is Chucky. Like I have like my shark head over here having a rabbit in its head, in its mouth, and then straight up when I found out like pastel goth was a thing, I was like, wait, so like you're telling me that I can still wear like super cute pastel things while being a goth girl? Hello? Oh my god, and the next time I cosplay Hades, I could. Wait, I love that so much. Why do I love that idea so much? Please. Shrek! And this time he has a rabbit in his mouth because Easter. Yay. As I do the cat paw thing. It's fine. We're here now. Naya. I hate it. What can you not unsee now? Gotta ruin everybody in the party. Anyways, wow, that's quite the stigma that you're putting on demons there. I see you. Cool. Okay. So all of my demons just low-key being like cannibals. Oh, well, we've committed. It'd be really unfortunate to mess up my makeup now. I keep getting like random hairs here. Why do we celebrate a rabbit painting and hiding eggs for, I don't even remember what it is. Is it like his Isn't it for... Listen, I'm not a religious person, so I can never remember, is it like his birth or his death, or is it something else? But like, for Jesus. Moving on. Go. Or I'm gonna get an advertisement. Cool, whatever. I just want a song that I actually know, please and thank you. I guarantee there'd be some of my playlists that people would listen to and be like, I'm sorry, what? This is not the vibes that I thought this would be, and then I'm like, these are the vibes I think they are. I just realized I missed a spot. I missed, my brother was like, okay, are we watching Sing? Are we watching Sing again? And I was like, oh, I love Sing. And my brother looks at me and he's like, why have you seen Sing? And my brother just stopped and he's like, why do you know this song? And I was like, what do you mean, why do I know this song? It's Elton John. And he just goes, it's Elton John? And I'm like, what do you mean you know this song? What do you mean you don't know it's Elton John? And my brother was just like, how weird, I just never imagined you would know Elton John. And I was like, I can't believe you didn't know this was Elton John, so I guess we're even. It's To the Mouse, and he starts singing My Way. And both my brother and I are singing that. And his girlfriend then goes, you give her crap about knowing Elton John, but why do you know this song? And my brother goes, it's Frank Sinatra. Because I was listening to Phil Collins, and my mom was like, you're listening to Phil Collins? And I was like, you mean I'm listening to... Of course I'm listening to Phil Collins. What? Tarzan. Period, the end. What do you mean, mother? Asking me if I know who Phil Collins is? I'm like, what? Oh, shit. I totally just got mascara all my thumb. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please attack that subscribe. Whoops. Thank you for joining me today.